Mustang Coupe. All right, guess what, guys? Dun, dun, dun. I get to drive in a golf cart again. This is so cool. You need a golf cart because this place is so big. Here we go. Ed and I taking a road trip within the mall. There you go. Ed's making sure they hit the subscribe button because I haven't seen a MustangMedic before. But
we're gonna hit the bathroom.
All right.
And then we're gonna go down and meet with Stuart.
All right. Well, Stuart's the president of the company. And oh wait, can you stop for a second? Please stop. Can you back up? Oh, back up. All right. You guys know I like Corvettes. Thank you. I can hold this for you. Guys, just try to. It's hard to get a perspective of this place, but we're just casually driving by this car, and I asked Ed to back up. So, and that's an original car. Is that you don't know if it's original paint, do you? You guys do not paperwork on it? I'm gonna keep asking that question all day today. All right, that's good. Thank you. I appreciate it. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a view of what it's like. I mean, I don't think they give golf cart rides to everybody, but this is really cool. So look at this. Look at this. There's a Mustang. And there's a Jag. Look at that Pontiac. Look how clean that thing is. Holy cow. Wow. We're gonna hit this. Alright, we're going to the restrooms, but this is a big place. This is Ed. And this is his office. I mean, he's totally styling on it. Of course, he's got good taste. He's watching the MustangMedic video.
And last year, I did have my Mustang.
He had his Mustang parked in his office here. And let's show, where's the entry? Why don't you show us the entry, Ed? Look at this.
Right here. This is
behind the curtains.
The mall way.
Look at this.
And
this is behind.
That's a gate that goes up. We had three Mustangs from the 60s parked in here. And my son, who works here over his college break, he pushed one out, and I drove mine right in here, past the curtain, and into the office, and then backed it up against the wall.
I hope I'm coming through. We're gonna have to really talk loud so it comes through. Someday I'll have a mic set up. But look at this. This is outside or inside of Ed's office. It's just separated by a curtain. Everything's behind glass. It's a mall. I mean, it's a mall with cars in it. I'm still trying to wrap my head around that. Very cool, Ed.
It's a lot to wrap your head around.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah, I want to get out.
All right, so I looked at Ed as he pulled in into this hallway with the golf cart, and I said, "Is this going to be an Austin Powers moment?"
The Mini.
I just had to show that. There he goes. He's got to back out from his office. That is too funny. I should have challenged him to do the Austin Powers turnaround. All right, we got our meeting done, and here we go. We're going to look at the cars. That's what it's all about, right, guys?
This is the Grand Tour.
The Grand Tour by Ed.
Mostly.
So I'm going to sit back. Look, I'm chilling. I got my legs folded, and I'm going to sit in a golf cart again, but this time, instead of being moderns like we're at Philadelphia Auto Show where Ed and I met, it's going to be classics. They got a Wright Brothers airplane in here, so who knows what we're going to see. We're even going to get to see behind the curtain, right?
Correct.
We'll explain that later. Here we go. All right, there's gonna be noise too, so we're gonna have to get used to that.
This mall is shaped like a big cross, and we're in the very center of it right now.
A big cross, okay.
And
I'm gonna turn the camera around.
Okay.
All right.
And the collection of cars that's in here, we have 400 cars in a collection. The man that owns the building, or his cars.
The man who owns the building, does he let his name out? He doesn't? The man that owns the building has 200 cars in his collection here, so obviously
400.
400. Obviously, you need to buy a mall when you got a collection of 400 cars.
And then we have another 400 for sale in here on consignment, individually owned cars. The collection starts out here on the left. These are early automobiles, carriages. That biplane back there is a 90% replica of the Wright brothers' original First in Flight from a guy in Maryland. It came up here on an open trailer. It must have been flapping its wings coming out of the tanker. But anyhow, it took 10 of us to get it in here, get it in this building.
Safely.
And it took our maintenance guy about a week to splice the thing all back together. But
Well, should we get a close-up view of the Wright Brothers plane?
I can go right in there, yeah.
All right, we're gonna get a close-up view of the Wright Brothers plane, so I can do a Wright Brothers plane video on Mustang Medic.